What am I doing? I'm actually growing my Instagram, believe it or not. That's all you really gotta do. I'm gonna explain it right now in this video. Actually, you know what? I can just set my phone down and go through the stories, right? Let's talk about it. What I'm actually doing right now is I'm increasing my Instagram reach and engagement by tricking Instagram. Wow. Now let me show you how and why. Before I start, you're gonna learn a lot about music marketing on Instagram today, but you're not gonna learn everything that you need to know about music career success. And that takes continuous learning that I give you. So make sure that you subscribe to stay on top of the best secrets to making it as a music artist. 450,000 people are subscribed for a reason. Damn, all right, son. Let's talk about this. Number one, letting stories play just on autopilot. The algorithm on Instagram and TikTok and YouTube is actually set up for user experience. And what I mean by that is they want to make the best user experience that they possibly can so that the user stays on the app longer so that they can run more ads to the user, which means they make more money from advertisers, okay? So they want to make sure that it's only showing people on any one of these platforms the stuff that they already engage with. Yeah. So it's set up to connect people and show them each other's posts when they interact and engage with each other. When you actually watch people's stories enough, even if it just gets set down in the background, oh, caught it. It starts showing your stories to them where you can promote yourself, your music, your brand, whatever, okay? So you can easily get people to start seeing your stories just by making them think that you're watching their stories.
You can't lie.
Number two, a lot of artists, producers, and brand owners are camera shy and would rather just make music or products, but I'm gonna say this and say it one time only because it's gold most people don't utilize. Let me ask you, good sir, madam,
here we go again.
Are you getting like 1/10 of the likes and engagement on things you post compared to how many followers you have?
Of
course you are. Makes sense. Okay, well, what's the best way to be able to reach all of your followers instead of less than 10% of your followers? Really, it's like 1% engagement. I mean, sheesh, I'm just trying to be nice. Oh, but you know the answer, but you didn't even realize it. All you have to do is go live.
That's all.
When you go live, it announces it to your followers. A lot of them, okay? Not just 1% or not just a small percentage of them. It shows them a lot. So if you go live once a week, it reminds people you exist, okay? Right? This is also how people can get to know you and your personality. So you are more than just someone posting stuff and posting music on Instagram. This is very powerful and very important and a very amazing way to build super fans. Yes, and don't thank me. You already knew this. I wasn't gonna thank you. Shut up. You probably been thinking about doing it, but you're probably shy, and I totally understand. I've been there. But you have to overcome that. After all, you want everyone to love you, and you probably want to be famous, right? Yes, sir! You're gonna get to that stage eventually. The sooner you do it, the better. You can't be that person if you're shy. You have to be yourself while being confident in yourself. Remember that, because that's gonna make people believe in you more. Come on. Still be an artist. You ain't gotta be fake. You just have to grow yourself. When people can see that you're confident and you're happy, they'll know it's because your life is going right, and they'll follow along. They'll be thinking, wow, it must be going great. They have such a great attitude. Their life, it's subconscious. Okay? Think about it subconsciously.
Oh, God.
Really quick, if you could hit that subscribe button for me, I really appreciate it. Growing this channel allows me to help more artists like you and me so that we can keep getting further faster together. That's it. Let's get back to the video. Number 3, 4 posts a day on Instagram stories to keep other people who you are engaging with engaged with you. You need to do 4 a day. If they watch your story, their story goes back into your feed and you repeat this process. Again, if they watch your story and you're following them, their story goes back into your feed and you then watch their story again, you repeat the process. Let's talk about these 4 posts. The first post you make early morning, it pulls them in with something, whatever you're thinking. You want to do a quote, you want to do a bar from your music, or you want to do a beat, something, all right? The next one is to entertain them, okay? And then another one, a couple hours later, that entertains them again, maybe a meme or something you saw that entertained them. You could build this however you want to based on your brand. And then the final one that you should do every day is one that at least promotes you or shows more about your personality as a brand so you can establish that with people, okay? So people see more about you, and then every day that they watch your stories, they start to like you more. It's common sense, really, but sometimes we don't know, but now you do. Number 4, stay in the algorithm by posting at least once a week. Really, if you can do at least 2 or 3 times, that's gonna be better. Plus, the more that you do, just like with making music, making beats, making anything, you're gonna find what works for you faster, 3 times faster if you post 3 times a week. If it doesn't perform, well then delete it. You don't have to create a ton of content, spend an absorbent amount of time creating this content, coming up with ideas. You can do your music snippets, beat snippets, anything that you believe is on brand for you. Tell a story. There's lots of things you can do, okay? But you need to find out what your audience is actually gonna like. What's gonna make somebody a fan of you? You don't wanna lose out on this algorithm. A big mistake that I made was I wouldn't post but every 8 months. I was like, I'm doing this stuff over here here. I don't even care to post. I'm not doing that. I wasn't in music artist mode. I was just in, I'm building business over here. Then I go into music artist mode. And I'm like, damn, I'm like getting smacked by the algorithm because I've gained all these followers, but I fell out of it because their user experience was engaging with all these other people because they were posting and I wasn't. So I have all these followers and I have terrible engagement, right? But then I had to start slowly building it back. You can come back later, but it's better to just make that post once a week and just let it go, right? It also gives people more things to engage with, friends, family, anybody else who comes to your page, new followers. If they see a post that you made 6 months ago, they're like, man, this person don't even post. And if you hadn't posted a story that day, they're thinking he doesn't even get on Instagram. So like, you gotta think about it like that. As simple as just making a post. Even if it's a meme or just something you saw that you like something.
He ain't lying.
Well, guess what? It's time for word of the day.
Hi guys, my name is Ray, and today's word of the day is malleable, capable of being molded or changed.
We're all malleable.
Malleable.
All right, I hope that was a word you didn't know. You learned something about it. Just so you know, I have way more information, way more Instagram tricks, Spotify tricks, everything. I'll put stuff below in the description of this video. I'm gonna give you the free 12 levels of the music industry guide. If you wanna get your hands on that, check that out. All right, it's gonna show you from wherever you are right now as an artist or producer, and it's gonna show you where you need to be in every step in between, okay? It's free, and then after you see that, you can check out the music industry shortcut. I'm Rob Level. I'm an artist just like you. Got 5 Spotify plaques. What's up? What's up? Damn, it feels good to say. I want y'all to get there too one day, and you will. Keep watching, all right? Keep hustling, and I'll see you at the top. Check out my new single, self-promo.
Chop it, break it down and flip it all day.